Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So all this here may look like a few weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like you this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis about 24 hours ago as of this recording. And I say as of this recording because a friendly reminder, cryptos are open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15 hours after I upload it, then yeah, the chart is going to look a little bit different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some basic questions and how you answer those questions that'll dictate the current status of the chart at the moment that you watch it. So really the big level going forward, and this is nothing new for those of you that have watched the videos over the past few days, but the first question to ask yourself in terms of measuring the health of the overall trend is that level right there at 7,600, meaning, hey, is the price still up above there? If you are answering that question that the price is up above it, well, then that implies the overall chart is still in full strength. Basically the trend is about as pretty looking as it can get. Now, with all that being said, if you are answering the question that the price is down below 7,600, that doesn't mean that the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at more so the overall trend, that is where the purple line here comes into play. The 50 period simple moving average, keyword being moving. As time goes on, that line is going to continue to move itself higher and higher. So if you're answering the question, and let's just go with that 15-hour number, 15 hours from now, and you're saying, well, Clay, the price is down below 7,600, but the price is still up above the purple line, well, then everything is still perfectly fine. Like I said, that would just be the ideal level that would make it look the absolute strongest. Now, on the flip side of things, and this is where some, common sense and gut instincts comes into play. If you're answering the question, well, Clay, yeah, it's 15 hours from when from when you uploaded this, and not only is the price up above 7,600, it's actually up here at, 8,800. Well, that would tell you that not only has this current consolidation that is, going on right now as of this recording turned out to be totally healthy, it's actually gotten that much healthier because now the price is broken to the upside and is now, at highs that haven't been seen for quite a while. So in that regard, like I said, use your gut instincts and common sense and, let that kind of tell you in regards to how overall, strong, the trend is. But for more so the consolidation area, that is where you would want to stay focused on more so the 7,600 number and then the purple line right there. But all in all, the trend remains fine. The trend remains in the bulls' favor. So we'll see how these next 24 hours all play out until I'm back, right around 24 hours from now to wrap things up for the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.